Good afternoon, and welcome to the Arctic Circle. Sit down, please, and tell me, you come from
Croatia.
Croatia. Oh, that's far away.
Yes.
Do you come from Bjelovar or Zadar or Zagreb or?
From Kutina.
From Kutina.
Yes.
And what are you doing here in Finland?
Well, we are delivering the letters from children. So yes, here are the letters from children in Croatia.
You brought this all the way from Croatia to Lapland?
Yes.
Oh, you're so kind. Let me see. For Santa Claus, and there is even my name written in Finnish. In Finland, everybody used to call me as joulupukki. But somewhere I'm known as Santa Claus or Father Christmas or Babbo Natale or Papa Noel and so on. And can you help me and pick up those letters?
Of course.
And you can...
So...
Let me see. And there is one from
Carlo.
Carlo. Okay, Carlo is one of my good friends in Croatia, and this one is
Petar.
from Petar. Let me see. And Petar. Can you please read this?
Yes, of course. So.
In English?
No, in Croatian.
Oh, okay. Dragi djede, molim te mi donesi infinity nado kol siker.
Aha, okay. Very nice. And then there are also some beautiful drawings. And how about the weather now in Croatia?
It's very warm.
Which one is colder, Croatia or Lapland?
Lapland.
Do you think so? How much snow you have now? Maybe
don't.
2 meters?
No.
Only 1 meter?
No snow.
Even less?
Yes.
Not at all?
Not at all.
Oh, yeah. We have plenty of snow yet here in Lapland. So when you go back home, maybe you can take a bit of snow in your suitcase and bring it to your home as a souvenir. And beautiful looking letters. I take all of this and read carefully during my next silent moment. So thank you very much for this. And thank you for bringing this all the way to Lapland.
Santa, we have one asking, please. If you can say hello to all children in Croatia, but in Croatian, it's pozdrav djeci u Hrvatskoj.
Oh, that's very demanding. I prefer to say it's in Finnish, which is my home language, and shortly it goes like terve sinne Kroatiaan, terveisiä Lapista. And this means greetings to Croatia, best wishes from Lapland, my home region. I wish all the best for you, and I'm waiting to see you there at Christmas.
Da se vidimo cijelo. Hello, Santa.
Hi, and welcome to Lapland.
Thank you very much. We have some special gift for you. It's personally for you. It's a gift from Croatia. It's from our city Kutina, where we came from.
Okay.
And this is also Kutina, our city. And this is some smelly. Nice stuff. It's Croatia.
Is it a smell of Croatia?
Yes, a bit, but not from the city where we came from. It's a smell from our coast, Adriatic coast.
Yep. How about the kids in Kutina? How are they doing?
Oh, they are very fine, and they actually hardly waiting for new Christmas. So you will arrive and give them plenty of gifts.
Wonderful. I love Croatia, and every Christmas I take my reindeer, our huge sleigh full of presents, and then we fly to Africa and America and Australia, and finally we came all the way to Croatia, and
Come closer. Can you tell us how can you have so plenty of time to go around the world in so short time?
Oh, that's easy. That's very easy. Even I have only one day and one night time. You just have to know which way to be in the millions of different places around the same time. And after practicing it a couple of 100 years, I think I master it well. Especially here at the Arctic Circle, time is relative. Thanks to Albert Einstein.
You know him?
Well, actually, he was helping me. Time ago, I was worried about the time problem and how to deliver all the presents for the boys and girls around the world. And he promised to help me, and he was thinking and considering. And one day he came to me and said, "Listen, Santa, now I have a solution." And then he said, "Time is relative."
Oh, that's nice. So during the year, you making presents for children?
Yes, that's right. Not alone. I couldn't do all the things by myself, but fortunately I have my elf team. My helpers called elves.
Yeah.
They are quite small and quite smart, and all the time going and coming, and they help me for things like making the presents. They took care of reindeer, and they used to look after children and observe if they remember to be good, and so on.
So how many elks do you have in your sleigh?
Are you talking about reindeer?
Yes,
or
right.
Those one who are pulling the sleigh?
Yeah.
Well, quite many, because world is wide and it's a busy time. So we used to change the reindeer on the way. But every Christmas there are at least Vixen is there, and Cupid and Comet and Thunder as well, who is wonderful reindeer, and Prancer, and then the one who has a big horns and red nose, whose name is Rudolph.
Yeah.
Who is
I heard about
the
him.
most wonderful and the red-nosed reindeer I have ever seen.
Are they also old, same as you? Or?
Well, like timeless. The reindeer years or reindeer hours or reindeer weeks are not same as for human beings. But every year there are some new faces and little ones who know that one or two or three of them will be selected, and who they are able to join the Christmas team. And every autumn time they are very full of excitement, and they are waiting and listening to who will be selected as a new face for our tour.
I have some question, but is there any grandma Santa? You have a wife, or you have no wife?
Oh, actually, well, there is one person which is very close to my heart, and her name is Mother Christmas, also called Mama Claus between friends. And we have been together maybe 3 or 4 or 5 centuries. I don't remember exactly.
So, I'm very glad to meet you. We have to go back to Croatia, and this, what we now recorded, we will show to our children there. and we're waiting for you.
Wonderful, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Best wishes and greetings to all of you, my dear friends. I love Croatia and I'm waiting the time to see you there at Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Kiitos.